loves, it's Brianna K. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to do a day in the life. It is a Saturday and we are celebrating Presley's birthday. It's her friend's birthday party today. So I figured you guys would want to see the little decorations I'm doing. Nothing too crazy, just a little area of the house because they want to go roller skating, and then she's having her friends over here for a sleepover afterward. First we have Landon's basketball game, and then I'm going to be doing party prep stuff around here.
But feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
I am so proud of Landon on another great basketball season. This is a playoff game, and he had some great baskets. Unfortunately, I didn't catch any of them on camera, but his team ended up losing just by 2 points. But they had a really great season overall. I'm so proud of him, and he's got 2 little cheerleaders on the sidelines. Well, we just got home, so I've got all the balloons in the car, and we're gonna start setting up for Presley's birthday.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
All right, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw that the birthday party theme was Mean Girls. Presley picked it because she'd been wanting to watch the movie for a while. And a few weeks ago, we finally got to watch the movie together, and we talked about it all afterwards, and it just really resonated with some of the stuff she's already experienced in school. We talked about how, unfortunately, bullying is something that most kids experience at some point, but it is not okay, and it's so important to be kind to others and finding friends who are kind and supportive and to do the same in return. So her original party was just going to have pink decorations. We planned it to be a roller skating and then a sleepover afterwards. But last minute, she asked if we could do it like Mean Girls and have all the girls wear pink to the party. So you know me, I went all out with the theme because rewatching it a few weeks ago, I honestly forgot how funny it was. It is such an iconic movie. And thank God for Amazon because I was able to find all the balloons and plates and things last minute. So these are the little treat bags that I found on Amazon. Thought they're so cute. This is what Presley requested having in them. She said Capri Sun, fruit by the foot, lip glosses. I'm wondering where the 4th one went, so hers just is gonna have a lip gloss in it. And then I got each of them. That's so cute, the little strawberry one, ring pops, and she wanted eye masks too. I was missing something. I forgot I got the Mother's animal crackers and strawberry fruit snacks. So a lot of pink when possible.
Look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
And this is one of my favorite decorating hacks, is to buy curtain backdrops and cut them into strips and hang them from the ceiling. It just fills the room so nicely, makes it sort of magical feeling in here. The girls loved it, and it's just such a fun way to decorate in here, add more color to the room, and it's inexpensive, so very budget-friendly way to decorate.
Nighttime is something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. We come alive.
I'm so excited because I just got the mail and my new toppers are here from Pair, and just a huge thank you to Pair for sponsoring today's video. So if you haven't heard of Pair before, they make eyeglasses for men, women, and children, both prescription and not prescription. Mine are the patent frames, and I actually have the blue light lenses because I'm always working on my computer and looking at my phone screen. But what I love about Pair is they make these toppers that So easy to change up your look. Like went from those pink frames to the party tortoise toppers that, you know, match the gray and black outfit. They also for summer have the sun toppers. So I was really excited about these. I got the black sun toppers, you know, basic black. And then I also got the gold sun toppers. I love these. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these in Hawaii. These are all getting packed in my suitcase for sure. But all of Pear's prices are so affordable. I also love how easy it is to order your frames. They have a virtual try on too, so you can see exactly how they look on your face, figure out what color looks best with your features as well. And I love that Pear gives back because for every pair purchased, a pair goes to a child in need. So right now, if you scan this QR code here on my screen or use the link that I'll have for you down in my description box below, you will get 15% off of your first pair. And thank you again to Pear for sponsoring today's video. I cannot wait to wear these all summer long. All right, I did this for Landon's birthday and I see so many cute ideas on Instagram of how to take just a store-bought cake. And basically I'll show you, we'll like scrape off this icing and redecorate it a little. We're gonna make it the Mean Girls birthday cake. I will say, I think it's easier to do this when the cake has been set out at room temperature, because when it is cooler, I think sometimes you end up almost peeling off sometimes the layer of the frosting that you don't want to take off. So I'd recommend if you do this, like I let this cake sit out for a couple hours, and then it's much easier to kind of take it off little by little. Don't try to take off too much at a time, because then you might accidentally get into the cake too. But kind of a easy way again to sort of cut out a lot of the steps of the baking process and still decorate the cake in a semi-homemade style. All right, and I'm just gonna continue now with this yellow frosting on the bottom. All right, so all the outside frosting is scraped off in this bowl. And now I'm going to use this hot pink to line the outside. Take my little, this is like a Wilton frosting dispenser. I love it because you can change the tips out. And I'm just gonna start piping right around the bottom. Okay, bottom is all done. So now we'll do the top. Now I just kind of cut out of the napkins and paper plates the happy birthday Presley letters, and I'm gonna put them on top of the cake. There we go. Happy birthday, Presley. I'm just gonna put the candles in. Ah, it turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. I had gotten this originally because I was just gonna write Happy Birthday Presley on it, but then I realized I could use the letters on the like plates and napkins for this, so it worked out perfectly. I feel like it looks even better. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously so happy with this. Yay, I just put it on the cake stand. Oh my gosh, I feel like it turned out so cute in here. It's not like super over the top, but I love it. You can tell the theme for sure. All right, Prezi, you ready for the birthday reveal?
Yeah.
Open your eyes.
I love it, Mama. You're like really pretty.
You're like really pretty.
And you're really pretty too, Kai.
Aww. Well, I'm glad you like it. Are you ready to party?
Yeah. Can I just
Hey, wait, show everybody your outfit.
a little bit dramatic?
So cute.
Oh my
goodness. Yeah. Your mouth is gonna be blue.
A little bit dramatic.
All right, I just finished making their little mocktails. So cute. And I need to go upstairs and put on my outfit. You're all gonna laugh. Not like a regular mom. I'm a cool mom. You're saying what the quotes are in the movie. What's the 411? What's the hot gossip? Good morning. It is the day after the party. The girls had so much fun. We went roller skating. We went and got Taco Bell, you know, Mean Girls style. We had to. And yeah, came home, did cake. Girls slept over, so everything is a mess. So I've got a lot of cleaning to do. So I figured that's how we can finish this video with a little cleaning motivation. We've got dishes to do, of course, party room to clean up, sleepover blankets to clean up, just a messy kitchen. So let's get started tidying up this house so it has a little reset for the week ahead. So what TV shows are you watching right now? Because I just saw season 2 of Secret Lives of Mormon Wives is out. Is anybody watching it? What do you think? I haven't gotten to watch it yet. Maybe when I'm flying to Hawaii, I'll be able to binge it on the plane or something. I rarely watch TV right now. Our days have been so busy with all the activities and birthdays, just general cleaning and running the house. And then usually when the kids go to bed is when I'm working on editing my videos. So I just don't get to watch a lot of TV or movies, but I always love recommendations. So let me know what you're enjoying watching right now.
Found someone who is just as crazy as me, or is it just in my mind? Yet too soon to mention.
Also, speaking of which, I need to start packing for Hawaii, and a lot of you have requested a pack with me video, so I'll probably be doing that in some of my upcoming videos. Probably gonna take me a few days too to get everyone's done since I'm packing for all 4 of us, but that will be coming soon. And I'll be sure to share, you know, packing tips, travel tips, since I know a lot of people travel over the summer months, and we have traveled a lot. So I'm happy to share what I've learned over the years to make it a little bit easier for you too. But if you have any other video requests for before we leave for Hawaii, let me know that down in the comments too.
Screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light. Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat.
And it was sad taking this down because it was fun and nice and colorful in here, but I just was really feeling the need to have a reset right now. So taking it all down to have a clean slate. But I was thinking, do you want a little summer clean and decorate with me? I do have those summer decorations. I could do a little summertime clean and decorate video. Let me know down in the comments.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we.
And one of Presley's friends got her this massive slime kit for her birthday. It was so cute. All the girls were at the table with their own slime, playing with it. And there was all these little glitter pieces, like the mix-in pieces. So I had to wipe down this table extra good to get it all off. Now let's do a good vacuum of all the floor so that it's nice and clean for the week ahead.
No us no more, we done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, no no. We done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, no no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know if.
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I cannot believe that Presley is 8. Thank you so much for watching her grow up here on my YouTube channel and for being part of this virtual family. I truly could not do these special parties without your support, because every time you watch my videos, every time you comment, every time you tell a friend to subscribe, it just means the world to me and my kids. So thank you so much for watching and for being here, and have a wonderful week.